What is up, amigos? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing well and having a great day. So thank you very much for all of you for watching. I really appreciate it. I just want to start this vlog by being in these beautiful mountains. I am in Glendora, California. They call it Glendora Mountains. This is my first time being here, and it's absolutely one of the best canyons I ever been. I'm sorry, I'm trying to catch my breath here. Those of you who haven't seen my bike, this is my Yamaha R6 2020 Raven Edition. As you can see, I've done some modifications to it, turned this thing to a beast. Look at this thing, looks menacing and I absolutely love it. So there are a few things that I have done: the windscreen, the MotoGP slip-on, and the taillights from Rage Cage Cycles. So this mountain, it's absolutely beautiful, and it's really twisty. There's a guy that just came up. He said if you're going up, be careful out there. There is like a branch of tree that has fallen. It kind of hit him. It's like halfway through, and he hit his head. He thought he was gonna fall. It was really nice of him. He gave me a heads up, so I might go up there, who knows. But he just came down and he went back up for his second round. I haven't gone up all the way, so I'm gonna try to see if I go down, vlog for you guys, or maybe coming back up, vlog for you guys, and also take you guys on this ride. And in this vlog, I'm gonna just talk about new months, new goals, and maybe future plans for next year. Winter is here. It's December 1st. I'm on vacation currently, so I get to ride my bike and just enjoy this beautiful weather. So catch you guys on the road. Thank you again for watching, subscribing, and enjoy this beautiful content and beautiful view. Hey, what's up, guys? So sorry, I had to pull over and fix my camera gear, and also my what do you call it, forgot to lock my helmet. My god, I'm just like so happy being here, so I kind of forgot. Anyhow, we are about to go to this Glendora Mountain. So as I mentioned earlier that I was at the top, I had to come down, and I just wanted to vlog it for you guys a little bit from the beginning, and also, you know, get my practice in. I'm not gonna lie, this canyon, it's beautiful, and it takes another level of skill, riding skill, to be here, in my humble opinion. Here, so since most of you know, the last time I had a Yamaha R6 was 2013, and now I have it. I've been riding for a couple months now, but not consistently, but like every weekend when it was raining, and I didn't ride any. But now I'm back again, and it's just amazing to become comfortable with your bike and being able to becoming a better rider. I just want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers as well. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for coming here and watching my content. It means a lot to me. This means, you know, some of you who are into Yamaha R6 or just like motorcycles want to watch and hang out with us. I mean, hang out with me. And welcome to Zee Moto family. I just want to say that to all of you. But today is a new month. It's December 1st. I'm on vacation, so that's why I'm just like riding and just trying to go to places and enjoy it, because most of you know it's been a very crazy year for all of us. That's why I'm out here focusing on becoming a better rider, and also I'm on vacation, so I want to try my best to make a best out of it. So like I mentioned, this is my second time coming up, so I'm becoming a little bit better, trying to become a little bit better. These twisties are very unforgiving, and I'm trying to master it. But you know what, you become comfortable with your bike and with the weight. Another thing that I wanted to say, I wanted to share with you guys, something that helped me was because I have a stick shift. My car is a stick shift, so I ride that. That's my another daily. This one is my weekend warrior, as most of you know. So that helped me a little bit, like just thinking like if I were to be on my car, how am I gonna handle this canyon? As you can see, like I almost dropped, oh there you go, I almost slipped from my hand. But keep in mind, I'm new, I'm still learning, I'm still trying my best to get better, and the only way for you to get better, become a better rider, is to practice. I want to make sure I become very comfortable in the canyons. Oh, there was a rock right there. That's like my simple philosophy. I want to become a better rider in the canyons. I want to get better with leaning, and also I can't wait to go to track. So I was looking into deals for a suit, a racing suit. As most of you know, a lot of people wear them just for extra protection as well, but they were not on sale as much as I wanted them to be. It's still very pricey and expensive. So maybe at New Year's I'll get it when I get my tax returns, because the winter is here, guys. As most of you know, in other states it's snowing, and here we're blessed, it's not snowing. Like I said, it's the first day of the month, so you know, you're blessed to live in Southern California, some of you who you do. But other than that, the main focus of this video is obviously to share this beautiful view with you guys, and also talk to you guys about the new month and new goals. Since today is the first one, something that I personally do, I sit down, I write down my goals. I write down a few goals that I personally want to accomplish for this month. So one of them can be, I'll share with you guys, maybe bringing the payments of this bike as far as like maybe put a little more down so I can finish it off faster next year. That's one of them. Second is I'm gonna focus on maybe take it for a chain cleanup. But the dealer, when I took it for what do you call it, I took it for what do you call it, I forgot, I'm losing it, sorry guys, I'm just so distracted by this canyon. For an oil change, they told me you need to do a chain cleanup at 2,000 miles. Well, we are at 1993 right now, so I might go do that. At 4,000 is the second oil change for this bike. So I already did the 601, and the other one is coming up. But yeah, that's one of my goals that I want to accomplish. And also, the year is about to end. Just, you know, reflecting on what we have accomplished this year, what we have going on for us. So I highly suggest for all of you who are focused and have a vision, have things going on, don't get distracted, don't lose sight, and just keep it pushing, just keep going, and don't get distracted, because this what we are dealing with right now might distract you a little bit. Like things are gonna get better, trust me guys, things are going to get better, and it's just a matter of time. But one of the things that I highly suggest is when you take your time and you sit down, you journal it, you write it down, it really helps. It's very effective. It helps, and it will help you with accomplishing your goal and having a clear vision. But the second topic of today's video is something that I suggest for some of you who are new riders. Coming to a canyon is a good idea to come and practice, and also I would think that I would come with full gear. Safety first, guys. Safety. Like me, I kind of feel a little bit naked here. I mean, I did order my shoes, and they're coming, a new helmet, and you're gonna see that one too. I'm gonna show it to you guys on the next vlog, maybe tomorrow. And yeah, so I think coming in full gear, because you never know, these canyons are very unforgiving, but at the end of the day, as long as you conquer your fear and you come here, you put in the work, it's gonna get better for you. But yeah, I'm gonna go all the way on the top again. And yeah, maybe I'll go all the way at the end, but the thing is I'm kind of running out of sunlight, like natural sunlight, and it's kind of getting cold. So I'll probably come back tomorrow again. And yeah, it's just a beautiful place to be and vlog for you guys. Part of me is like, I just don't want to talk at all, and I just want to let you guys enjoy the video. But you know, I'm multitasking and trying my best to pay attention on the road as much as I can, and also show you guys this beautiful, beautiful, amazing view. So yeah, it gets better around here a little bit, but it does get a little bit tougher up all the way up in there. Another thing I did notice is a lot of girls and guys are coming here in their bicycle. It's kind of cool. So I like to slow down for them, because the last thing you want to do is hit somebody. Check it out, guys. Check out the view. Absolutely beautiful. Just amazing. Sorry, I'm trying to fix my camera. But yeah, these twisties, they don't discriminate. They will eat you alive. Yeah, but you know, eventually I'm gonna get better and become more comfortable. But for now, I'm loving it. I'm loving the process, the clutch control, the braking control, and just looking ahead, looking far ahead. That helps a lot. Same thing with car riding. When you have a big car or a fast car, you have to dive into the corner. You have to look ahead, keep looking, keep looking, keep looking, and it helps. So if you're approaching my spot, I'm gonna try to pull over for you guys and speak a little bit more. I showed you guys the view on the beginning, but a little bit more view doesn't hurt. I did came with a full tank, so I'm good on gas. But most of you know, the Yamaha lovers, coming from a Yamaha fanboy, Yamaha does not have a gas light. When you're about to have less gas, or you're running out of gas, it doesn't turn on. So I just take a roughly estimate. I always leave my house with a full tank anywhere I go, because you never know. So yeah, it's beautiful here. Like I said, these twisties are fun, guys. They're fun. They're challenging, but they're fun. I'm gonna stay quiet for a little bit for you guys, so you guys can enjoy the video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. You're about to hit 100 subscribers, and it's crazy how things are happening. You know, I'm not a full-time YouTuber, but you know, I do this because it's fun. I like sharing my knowledge. I like talking about bikes. I like making videos about bikes. So that's why I'm doing this. You know, there's no other reason behind it. It's a good way to connect with the community. It's a really good way to connect with the biker community, or people who love, just inspire them, motivate them, so they can become something, or they can go for something. Like the conversation goes back to being new month, new goals. it helps to stay focused. It really does to stay focused, because being focused will take you to the next level. But yeah, thank you very much for watching again. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna get on in here, pull over on this side. This is not my spot that I was here before, but I just watched a little bit. This was give me enough gap to turn around and pull over for you guys. Let's see, I'm gonna hit the kill switch. Okay, kickstand, there it is. Okay, thank you very much again for watching. I really appreciate it. It is a blessing. I'm truly blessed to share with you guys this amazing bike. Those of you who haven't seen it, look at the front end. It's probably one of my favorite parts to see. I can't get enough of it. I always said these LED lights, they're so mean. Like, I was at the gas station and this guy was eating a donut. He couldn't stop staring at me, and then he turns around and he comes around me and just pretend like he's looking somewhere else, but he was actually trying to see what type of bike it is. I'm telling you guys, these Yamahas are always breaking necks because everybody wants this bike. I mean, it's just my personal opinion. I mean, a lot of people like these bikes because it's been going on for like almost a decade now. Like, it's the same engine, just small modifications, small changes to the engine that Yamaha has done, but other than that, it's almost the same. Oh shoot, sorry guys, I almost fell. But yeah, so like I said, like, Yamaha has done a small minor changes, but other than that, this engine is almost the same. Hasn't changed much. But yeah, this is my Yamaha R6. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'm gonna try my best to more vlog for you guys more, and take you guys for those joy rides. Other than that, if you guys want to watch the view, I can walk a little bit further for you guys to see, so you can see how far I've come. Take a look, guys. I'm pretty far out here. There's a guy, the gentleman, he's looking at the mountains. Yeah, so as you can see, this is December in California. Like, it cannot get better than this. And then if you look down, I came all the way down from there all the way up, you know. And yeah, so it's a beautiful Glendora Mountain. Can't get enough of it. Like I said, it's beautiful, it's amazing to be able to come here and write and share my knowledge, my wisdom, and also my passion for motorcycles. Thank you again for watching. I'm gonna head back home, run some errands. Like I said, sit down, plan for this month, my goals, what I want to accomplish, what I want to do, and take it to the next level, because we don't want to be lazy. We want to focus on our goals and accomplish what we need to accomplish. Again, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below, and let me know about your thoughts, maybe other things that you would like to see, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Again, take a look at this baby. Take a look at the front end. I swear, I cannot get enough of this. I know I'm gonna stop talking. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching my videos. Take care and peace.